Welcome guys to a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this 12 kg haul from PANDABUY. This haul took 13 days to arrive and cost about $190 to ship. To start us off, we have the Kobe 6s. This one's the All-Star colorway, the next one is Mambasita. These are pretty good for the price. They are budget, so I don't always recommend hooping in budget shoes, but these are comfortable, so you should be able to get away with it. They're solid looking for the price. I mean, I would recommend them. Next up, we have the Travis Scott Fragments. Now these are okay for the price. I would recommend looking for an FKB grade or a PKB grade, but those usually sell out. This one is very available, so if you're looking for a budget Travis Scott Fragment, this one I would recommend. Now we have the FK Badge Travis Scott Reverse Mochas. Now these are very good for the price. They're not too expensive, they're not budget, but you get what you pay for, some nice solid shoes. Moving on, here I tried this new batch of the Yeezy slides. I do recommend going for the LW batch. Those are very easily obtainable. You can also get the B grade version. This version is a little bit stiff, but they do look good, so I would recommend LW if you want a cop. Moving on, we have Yeezy 350s. I do recommend, believe it or not, my pair just bleeds a little bit, but the boost is phenomenal. Also, the look is pretty good and it is budget, so check it out. Next up, I have these Union Dunks. Now these are always very good for the price, just because they're usually budget and they always look good, this pair especially, so I do recommend going for them. Unfortunately, these are out of stock, but they're pretty good for the price. I mean, they were budget, they don't look the greatest. I would recommend, but you can't get them, unfortunately. Now finally, some clothes. We have these budget Eric Emanuel shorts. They are solid for the price. They aren't see-through like they normally should be, but I would recommend just because they're easy to wear, and I mean, they're cheap as. Or recent Supreme BOGO, we have the tonal box logo tee. This is very comfortable and it looks great, so I recommend. Something unique, we have these Represent shorts. They are just great for the price. They're budget and they are really good quality. I definitely recommend going for your size. Here we have a special review for Sneaker Wade. If you are looking for a high quality pair of shoes and you don't want to build a haul, I do recommend checking them out. People have questioned the legitimacy of the website, and I can definitely verify that they're legit. They send high quality pairs of shoes. As you can see, this is a Jordan 4 SB Pine Green. One of my favorite shoes, and I mean, there's nothing to complain about. They're great. I mean, I recommend.